So tell us a little bit about what brought you to Smiles by Hannah and what were you experiencing when you first came?
Well, first, I came from Indiana about 9 years ago, and I had dental issues at that time when I lived back there. And when I ended up moving out here to Arizona, I started having issues, and I started doing some searching on the web to find a doctor, and I ended up finding a doctor that I wanted to discuss about having dentures or implants put in.
You came in here, you had your implants.
Um, well, I have to go back to this other doctor. The place where I went, I decided to have my implants put in. I had implants put in my lower jaw, and my upper was just a denture. And after a year and a half to 2 years dealing with this company, I had nothing but issues with my dentures. They were never right. They would tip. They pinched my gums 24/7, 7 days a week. I mean, it was unbearable what I had to go through. My issue was I had a doctor for over 20 years from back in Indiana that knew me, and I trusted him with everything. And here I am seeing a new doctor. I was scared. I didn't know what to do, and I knew I had to do something because they couldn't get it taken care of, and I was tired of dealing with the pain. So, long and behold, I got back on the internet and did some searching for almost 2 months. And when I end up located Dr. Mandor, I end up called the office and was scared to death because I didn't know what to do because I knew something wasn't right here and I didn't know if I could find anybody that could help me out. After speaking to a staff member, Mindy, and I had asked her many, many questions, concerns with what was going on with my mouth and my past issues with the dentist. And I needed somebody desperately to help me out because I couldn't keep living like this because I couldn't keep my teeth in my mouth all the time because of the pain I was dealing with,
Even though you had implants.
even though I had implants because of the teetering of my implant. They could not get
So,
my implant to be normal. It would pinch my gums. I had welts in the gums. I had sores in my gums. It was horrible, horrible.
and how did Dr. Mansoor help you fix this issue?
Well, when I first came in, they pretty much knew my anxiety was up there, and I was scared to death of coming in here and having to discuss what I've gone through. It was an embarrassment. And once I end up meeting Dr. I call her Dr. Hanna, I love her. She ended up making me feel more at ease. The staff made me feel more at ease. And after discussing many issues and what they could do and what they were hopefully going to be able to help me with, she made me feel comfortable enough to decide to go through what she had decided would be the best options for me to do.
So we ended up removing some of your existing implants, placing some new ones in the right position, away from the nerve, and she got you out of pain, and you are happy. You're not experiencing any more pain at this time, are you?
No, but I do want to say that if it wasn't for her staff and Dr. Hanna, I don't know where I would be right now. She has changed my life
Uh-huh.
because now I have beautiful teeth, and what I experienced with her compared to another doctor was night and day, and I would highly recommend her to anybody.
Thank you.
I
Can
thank
I
you.
give you a hug?
Well, you know you can, because you're my girl. No,
Thank you. Thank you
no,
so
thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
You just don't know, girl.
I do know. Thank
You
you.
just have no idea.
Thank you.
None.